Hello friends, welcome to my virtual lab of subject serving 2. We will see the experiment number 2, finding the gradient of a line. We will start with the objectives. The objective of this experiment is to find the gradient of line PQ by tachymetry. Major instruments required to perform these experiments are theodolite, tripod stand and the leveling staff. Now let us understand the setup of this experiment. P, Q and O are three stations where O is instrument station and P and Q are two stations for which the gradient of line PQ is to be find out. P is selected over line of sight whereas Q is selected below the line of sight. By holding the stop at station P, we will take vertical angle at P and 3 stadia readings. By holding the stop at Q, we will observe 3 stadia readings and vertical angle at Q. We will observe horizontal angle alpha as well. The observations can be quoted in the observation table below. Suppose alpha is 82 degree 40 minutes, vertical angle at P is 2 degree 24 minutes, vertical angle at Q is minus 3 degree 36 minutes, and the stadia readings at P and Q are as shown in figures. From this we have calculated the stop intercept as well as assumed RL of O 100 meter and the height of instrument axis is measured as 1.42 meter. As our case of line of sight inclined and staff held vertical, so following formulas can be used by assuming K 100 and C 0. We will do the calculations starting with the calculation of distance OP, that is D1. By putting the values in equation, we will get the D1 as 9.98 meter. We will calculate the V1 by putting the values in equation V. We will get V1 as 0.41 meter. We will do the further calculation for calculation of the distance OQ, that is D2. Again putting the values in equation of D, we will get the D2 as 14.94 meter. We will also find the V2. In equation V, we will put all the values we observed and we will get the V2 as 0.94 meter. Now let us understand what are V1 and V2s. So consider this setup. For first, you have observed the station P. So if you measure the distance between central reading at P and the horizontal line of sight, it is a V1. For the second, you have observed the station Q. So for this station, the vertical difference between central reading and horizontal line of sight is V2. O is our instrument station, P and Q are stop stations. R1 is central reading at P, R2 is central reading at Q, and H is height of instrument axis. So with this we will calculate the RL of P and Q. The RL of P is 100.67 meter and RL of Q is 98.08 meter. We will find the distance PQ, that is D, as shown in the figure, and the formula of D. We will put the values of D1, D2 and alpha. We get D 16.91 meter. The gradient of a line can be found by difference of RL divided by distance. So here we get 0.153. So gradient of line PQ is 1 in 2.58. Line PQ is having falling gradient from P to Q as RL of P is greater than Q. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any queries, please free to contact me. I am Professor S.P. Patil, Department of Civil Engineering, Ashok Ramani Group of Institutions, Water, Kolhapur, Maharashtra.